How to fix screen dimming in Realme C53 or C55. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on display and brightness. Now here you can check your auto brightness. If you turn on your auto brightness, then turn it off. After turn off your auto brightness, then check your dark mode. If you turn on your dark mode, then turn it off. After turn off your dark mode, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.